Ever wondered how to change your mobile app colors? I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So let's start here from the dashboard. From here, you want to locate your studio menu. Now from the studio menu, let's click on mobile app. Now on the mobile app menu, you'll see exactly how your mobile app looks like to your customers. Now, if you want to change the colors on your mobile app, all you have to do is go here to the app colors section and you'll see several colors that you can change. All you have to do to change these colors is put in the right color code beside it. So let's go through each and every one of these colors and I'll tell you what they do so you know how it would affect your app. Now, for the primary color, this is the primary text color on the background of the header and the footer. For the secondary color, this is your background color. For the header bar, this is the header and footer background color. Now, for primary and white, this is the color for any buttons or icons or text on a white background. Now for secondary on white, this is secondary text color on a white background. For text on background color, it just means if your color is a different color and it's not white, that's where this color would come into play. And last but not the least, the discount banner color. This is the text color that comes out shows up on the badges. Now, for accessibility reasons, you want to make sure that all of the trees below show. Because if a tree is blurry or if it's one color, it means that that text might not be seen. And once you're done, all you have to do is click on Submit Colors, and you're good. For more CityHive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.